Hi guys, and welcome to my channel. If you are new here, hi, my name is Julia and I do makeup tutorials, unboxings and reviews. And for today we are going to review a product that intrigued me from the moment I saw it. Please excuse my sleepy face and the bags underneath my eyes. I only had 5 hours of sleep, and this is because today I am traveling to Prague and I need to catch an early train. Well, early for me. Returning to our review, I recently saw on my local drugstore this Essence Tinted Day Cream, which claims to be gym-proof and waterproof to perfect your skin and to keep you shine-free. Well, I never tried any face product from Essence, but I love some of their mascara and I said I have to give it a try, especially because the price is unbeatable. Here in Czech Republic, I paid for it an amount equal with $4 for 30 milliliters or 1/3 ounce. The only downside for this Tinted Day Cream I see so far it is that it's coming only on 2 shades. I have the shade Light and the other shade it is Medium. But they claim this can be worn underneath foundation, so in case you have darker skin tone, it can be used to help control your oils and keep the foundation on place. At least I hope. Let's see so far how it will work on my oily combination skin. I have seen they have other products from this range called You Better Work, but I only was tempted by their mascara that we will also test it today. I will start by applying a face primer, and I do so because I have a long day ahead and I need to ensure that I will not be left without any foundation until the end of the day. I also added my Benefit Porefesional Pore Primer on the area where I have large pores. The product is coming in a squeezy tube, but it's kinda messy, and if you store it on its head, when you open it, the product will overflow, so be careful with that. The consistency is pretty thin and liquidy, and I think the best method to apply it is to use your fingertips. The other products they have released on this You Better Work range are a gym-proof primer, a setting spray, a fixing powder, an eyelid primer, and a Camouflage concealer palette. I haven't seen all of these products on my local drugstore, and I don't believe any of these products are available on US, but I will link below a website where from you can purchase all of these goodies in case you are interested. This site ships worldwide and has excellent prices. I want to build up the coverage a bit on the center of the face, and this time I will use a brush. This is the Sigma F80 Kabuki brush, by the way. I drag the remaining product down on my neck area. And this is how it looks in natural light. I like it so far. I will apply my Camouflage concealer by Catrice because I don't need any surprises while I'm traveling. And I will set my face as usual when I'm doing a foundation review with my Cover FX translucent setting powder. The time is now almost 8 AM and I always take in consideration the time after I applied and set the foundation when I do a wear test. Do not forget, we also have to test their Volume and Curl Mascara, which claims to be gym-proof and waterproof as well. The wand is rubber and it is curved. They also have another mascara called You Better Work Length and Definition, but I have problems with holding the curl on my lashes rather than with length. As you will see in the exterior corner, I have few lashes who only want to stay straight no matter what, so I'm hoping I can discipline them a bit. My camera doesn't pick it clear, but the mascara did curl my lashes a bit, and also the rebel ones are a bit more curled, let's say like this. It also do separate them, and I really love this. For my eye makeup, I used today my Modern Renaissance palette, and I use this Gerard Cosmetics Hydra Matte Liquid Lipstick because I find it very comfortable and long lasting. And I will pack with me this Urban Decay lip gloss to use it in case of touch-up. Now I have a train to catch, so I will see you later. Here I am on the train, and after only 3 hours, I already start to see the oil breaking throughout my face. I will go to powder my face before I will arrive to Prague. I'm meeting a friend and I don't want to look like I just jumped out from the oven. I'm back on the train toward home. I haven't touched up the face since 12 and I'm very shiny. There is a mirror and I can see how bad my face it looks. Definitely not a good idea to test a new product while you are traveling. I don't want to see my face, but I'm extremely shiny on my T-zone area. The product is completely gone from my chin, and what has left of it is collected on my lines. The mascara, however, it behaves really well. I don't have any smudge or flakiness under my eyes. It was even holding the curls. Even my son, who has tested next day without my permission, agreed with me. This is a really good mascara. Instead, the Urban Decay lip gloss was really holding the moisture on my lips after the actual lipstick started to fade. I know we are not reviewing this product, but I really love it. So yeah, really good impressed with the mascara and not impressed by the tinted moisturizer. Maybe if you are normal to dry skin, this will work better for you, but on my oily skin, girls, this is not meeting the expectation. Guys, please let me know if you are interested to try other face products from this Essence You Better Work range. From this reason, I decided to give it a second chance next day. Hence, I removed the face primer because, if you remember from the previous foundation test on Catrice foundation, the primer was actually making the things worse. So I followed the same steps as I did on the day before, which I won't repeat now. And I have used the same products as concealer and setting powder. I can see this product does conceal the pores at some level, and I can understand why, because one of the ingredients is dimethicone. Here is how it looks in natural light, and sometimes when I edit my videos I find that is more flattering the actual natural light than anything else. So far the things are looking pretty good. I applied the rest of my makeup. Actually, I did film another tutorial for this eye makeup look. and I've gone forward with my day. Eight hours later, I came back to see the disaster. This time I was not so shiny and the product did not collected on my lines. But there is a reason for that, and this is because the product has mysteriously disappeared from my face. How? I don't know how. I don't know, but I was left with any trace of the Essence You Better Work Tinted Day Cream. So on previous day, what was helping to keep the product on my face, it was the actual face primer. Neither the mascara wasn't holding well, and by the way, this is not the Essence You Better Work mascara, but another product, about I will speak with other occasion. This wraps up my review about this Essence You Better Work Tinted Day Cream, which it doesn't work for my skin. I don't say it's a really bad product. And for a basically BB cream, it's quite decent because we know the longevity of this type of product. It's not outstanding, and I repeat, if you are normal or dry skin, you might get longer wear time than I do. So accepting the price, I don't see any other pro for this product, but I will keep using it for those occasions when I only need to even out my skin and I don't need the longevity of a foundation, as for example when I just go to pick up my son from kindergarten. Thank you so much for taking the time to watch. I hope you will subscribe before you leave and follow me on my social. I will link here on the screen other videos that I will recommend you to check, and I will see you on my next one.